Hey, what's up, everybody? Best way to cook a big baked potato like this is rinse it off good. Make sure you rinse it off good. Alright, rinse it off good. Get the dirt off. Then you want to cut it in half, like so. Just cut it in half. Boom. And then place it on a plate or a paper towel. Okay, I'm going to use a plate so that way when it's done, all I have to do is add my butter and salt to it. So, and oh yeah, and you can prick it. You don't have to, but you can prick it with a fork. You can prick it if you want to, but I don't prick mine. Now you want to do is put it in the microwave and do it for, you can hit potato. Let's do potato. And let it cook. So potato on mine is about 4 minutes. Okay, it's ready. Let's see what we got. Yep. Now you can see how soft it is. I'm gonna put butter and salt on it. And there it is. Cook it about 4.5 minutes. And I got coleslaw and got crab legs to go with it. And there it is. About 4.5 minutes. And I got my crab legs and coleslaw to go with it. And delicious. So there you go. Simple and easy. Just cut the potato in half. About 4.5 minutes. Bon appetit.